Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Arts. So today I will show you how to see your connected Wi-Fi password by using your Samsung mobile. At same time, this trick almost works for all Android devices, but if you have the operating system of Android B. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, connect your mobile with Wi-Fi network and then check if it is connected or not. So once your connection is made successfully, just open your mobile settings and then go to connection settings and the first one and click to open your Wi-Fi settings and the same first option. Now in this section it shows my connected Wi-Fi network. So just tap your currently using Wi-Fi network and it shows some technical informations about this network. So anyway, leave it, but you can take a screenshot of this section. So once you take a screenshot, just close all the settings window. And this method only works after you install this QR code scanner application. So just get it from Google Play Store. So once the installation is completed, just click to open this application. And then it asks for my camera permission. So just press enable camera option and then click to allow. So now my rear camera is automatically turned on. But in this section, you can press this gallery icon and it is placed at almost top of third one. And also give the permission to access your mobile gallery. So here you can search that screenshot image file. So finally I locate it and it shows on cropping window. So just place this cropping section on that QR code place. So once you place it and then press start option and it is placed at the almost top. So finally here you can see. So it shows my connected Wi-Fi network name and followed by it also shows my network password. So finally this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily see your connected Wi-Fi network password by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Arts, and thanks for watching.